Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to REALME GT Neo 2. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and type in Send Anywhere in the search bar. Then download this app from this developer and select Open. Now we need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then choose Send on an Android and Receive on REALME. Now tap on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will transfer all of those files. It will take a while though, so I will go with one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see over here, we have two connection ways. We can input this key here and then simply click on Receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on REALME, then choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Now we need to wait, and as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!